combination ya muthoni wa Kiruba na Aunty Jemima ni akinyanira muthenya umuthi riria muthoni wa Kiruba invitete Aunty Jemima njorwa-ini ya kothi niguo eiturure no Jemima akorwo akiegeka mashabiki muno tutanatenderithia icio makiria twaria ici ciakinyira Kenyans na ihoru guku nenda-ini ciĩgie size 8 na family yake. Size 8 niwe wanirira ndeto ici ciĩgie ndigano yake na her husband DJ Mo thutha wa gukorwo mahikanitie for 11 years. Ndeto cionekana kuhahura Kenyans guku nenda-ini. Together size 8 na DJ Mo, they are parents to 2 beautiful kids na makoretwo magitwarithia na mbere a couples show iria ikoretwo ikibroadcast on TV47 where makoretwo maki-invite different couples to share their story with the world. Koguo ni undu wa this show magikoretwo makihost successfully. Ndigano ino yao ni yakora andu aingi na surprise nene muno through ndumiriri iria arekereria. Size 8 arauga kihiko kiu kiao kirakoretwo na miambato na miikuruko mingi muno for 11 years, but she has taken a decision ya gukorwo akiri single at the moment. Akiendekana kuga sometimes marriage works but the God's grace and sometimes marriage works by God's grace and sometimes it does not work, but all in all God is still on the throne. Ndeto ici cikigie Kameme FM fans magikorwo magitiguo macanjamukite muno thutha wa muthoni wa Kiruba gukorwo akihost Aunty Jemima uria wamegeka muno thiini wa that interview. Make sure you turn on your notification or subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video cito tucemanie in our next one.
Kuja na tumaua kama ni chocolate nipeleke date. Lu aya mora ya mundu uko